In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new tags and nested tags using TickTick. If you're looking to streamline your task management with personalized tags, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right into the process, ensuring you come away with a solid understanding of how to enhance your organizational skills. First, you'll want to head over to the TickTick website. It's a powerful tool that serves as both a to-do list and a calendar designed to keep you on top of your tasks. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in. You'll find the sign in button prominently displayed on the home page. Go ahead and click it. If you're like many users, you might prefer the convenience of logging in with your Google account. In that case, simply click the Google button. This will direct you to a familiar sign in screen. Select the account you'd like to use, and with just a few clicks you'll be logged in and ready to start creating tags. Now that you're in, look to the left side of your screen where you'll see the tag section. Here you'll find a plus sign, which is your gateway to creating new tags. Click on that plus sign. A dialog box will appear inviting you to enter the name of your new tag. Think about how you plan to use this tag, as a descriptive name will help keep your tasks organized. Type in the name, and once you're satisfied with it, click save. Congratulations, you've just created a new tag. But we're not stopping there. Let's take it a step further and create a nested tag, which can help you categorize your tasks even more finely. Begin by clicking that plus sign again. This time, when you enter a name for your nested tag, you'll want to make a decision about its structure. You'll see an option to select a parent tag. Click on this, and a drop-down menu will provide a list of your existing tags. Choose the appropriate parent tag for your new nested tag. This hierarchy will make your task management even more efficient. Once you've made your selection, hit save again, and just like that, you've created a nested tag that will help fine-tune your organization system, making it easier to find exactly what you're looking for among your tasks. By customizing your tags and nested tags, you're taking a big step toward maximizing TickTick's functionality for your personal or professional needs. Now that you've run through all the steps, give yourself a pat on the back. You've successfully mastered the art of creating and organizing tags in TickTick. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your productivity. Happy organizing,